In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up warehouses in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account with access to inventory settings, since warehouse configuration is usually managed by users with the right permissions. Once you're logged in, go to the page that shows all available Odoo applications. From there, scroll down until you find the Inventory and Manufacturing section. This is where Odoo groups the tools related to stock, warehouse operations, and product movement. When you see it, click on Inventory to open the Inventory application. After the Inventory app loads, look for the Configuration menu. This is where Odoo stores the setup options that control how your inventory system works behind the scenes. Open Configuration and then click Warehouses. This will take you to the Warehouses page where you can view any existing warehouses and create new ones. To add a new warehouse, click New. A fresh warehouse form will open, and this is where you'll enter the key details for the location you want to set up. In the warehouse field, type the name of your warehouse. For example, you might enter Main Warehouse. Choose a name that clearly identifies the location, so it's easy to recognize later in reports, transfers, and inventory operations. Next, go to the short name field and enter the abbreviated name you want to use. For example, you could enter WH2. This short name is helpful because Odoo often uses abbreviations in internal references and operational documents, so it's a good idea to keep it simple and meaningful. Once those basic details are in place, review the rest of the warehouse configuration fields and enter the required information for your warehouse. These settings can affect how stock moves in and out, so take a moment to check each field carefully and make sure everything matches the way your business operates. After that, find the Resupply From section. Here, you'll choose which warehouse should supply this new warehouse when stock needs to be replenished. If only one warehouse supplies it, select that warehouse. If more than one warehouse can provide stock, select all the applicable warehouses. This step is important because it helps Odoo understand how to manage internal replenishment between locations. Before finishing, review the warehouse name, the short name, and the Resupply From selections to make sure everything is correct. A quick final check can help avoid confusion later. Once that's done, your warehouse is configured in Odoo and ready to be used for inventory management. Thanks for watching.